Using the iNaturalist app is really, really simple. So I've already preloaded iNaturalist onto my iPhone, but it comes in Android as well for Android phones. So I'm going to click on iNaturalist, and right in the middle, you'll see the Observe button. So I'm going to press the Observe button, and I'm going to remember a couple of rules for taking good pictures. One is that you want to fill the frame with the species that you want to take a picture of. So I'm going to take this picture from here, and that fills the frame, and I'm going to hit next, because I want to take a picture from several different angles for each organism if I can. So I'm going to take another picture, so I'm going to hit the plus button up here at the top, and I'm going to take it from the side, and then I'm going to hit plus again, and I might take it from underneath, because the more pictures you take, the easier it's going to be for the iNaturalist app or a human identifier to identify it. So I'm going to click next. Now I'm ready to upload this observation. One of the great things about the iNaturalist app is it has this "What do you see?" button here. So I'm going to press that, and if there have been a lot of observations of the species, it's going to offer you up a set of suggested identifications. I know this to be Oenothera speciosa right there, which is called pink ladies. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to share it. And at this point, what I'm going to do is you can just add it as an observation, or if you have a project around a school, house of worship, museum, library, wherever you've put a project to capture all the biodiversity observations from that area, you can hit projects. And I can add this to any of these projects that I'm on, and it will make sure that anytime I pull up that project, it will show up. So I'm taking this observation at my house, which we have, as previously stated, called the Gonzales Butterwick International Toad Preserve or Reserve. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go back, and I'm going to share. And there it is. It's uploading. And once it's done uploading, it will be pinned to a map. So when I pull it up on the desktop, or if I pull it up on my app here, it will then show up as an observation. Now, you can't always know what a species is. Let's say that I took a picture of a species and I didn't know what it is, so I'm going to click Observe again. And let's say that I wanted to take a picture of this species right here, but I didn't really know what it is. Wasn't familiar with this, so I'm going to take this picture. And if that's a good picture, I'm going to say yes. And for the sake of brevity, I'm just going to go ahead and use that one photo. Usually you take 2 or 3 photos from different angles though. So when I hit "What do you see?" and I click on this, it may give me something that I can know or not know. It says we're pretty sure that this is in this family of spiderworts. So I don't know that that's the case, so I'm not going to even select that. I'm just going to share it. And I'm not going to share it to my projects this time. But what will happen is dedicated identifiers in the iNaturalist community will try to give me their best guess, not a guess. Oftentimes these people are very skilled experts, but their best estimation of what species it is. And if that happens, my species observation will have a red flag next to it with a number inside. So you can see from this screen that the green anole has a 3 in a black talking symbol there. Well, that's been because I actually already confirmed that identification. But if it's something I haven't identified, it'll look the same, except the background will be red.